Hey everyone! Is your Microsoft Teams chat list feeling a too crowded? Today I'm going to show you how to hide chat and declutter your workspace in second. Let's get started. First, open up Microsoft Teams and head over to the chat tab on the left hand side corner. Find a chat you no longer need to see all the time. Don't worry, hiding it won't delete anything. It just move out of sight. Now, simply click the three dot next to the chat and select hide. Proof it's gone from your list. But you can still find it anytime by searching for the person or group name. Don't want to hide the chat? Tired of consistent notification? You can also click mute to silence alert without losing the conversation. And there you go. You have just hidden and mute chat like a pro. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more simple tech tips.